Tech Cocktail Conversations, candid insights from startup founders, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders from around the globe.
I'm Brittany Laughlin, and I run a company called Incline in New York City. I think I first became a geek when I was a child. I really realized when my older sister was asking for dolls and makeup and clothes, I was asking for chemistry sets and microscopes. I just always was very curious about the world and why it worked. And technology, it's been the same way. It's just there's always new things coming out, and I want to know what's going on and what's cool and how it works and how it can make things better or cooler. So Incline was inspired by this notion that there were this large population of military veterans coming back into the workforce over the next couple of years with the drawdown of the war, and equally seeing that there's a shortage of technology talent. So I was running a tech company, and we really needed good people that were self-motivated and hardworking, and I thought, what better population than military veterans? And if we can build a curriculum to give them sort of the skills they need to be successful, I think that there's just huge opportunity to help the tech industry. So I actually am a Navy brat 3 times over. My grandfather, father, and brother all went to the U.S. Naval Academy and have all served. We've had a lot of great response from veterans all across the United States. Right now our program's only in New York City, but there's been demand all over. We had over 200 applicants to our first class. We accepted 7 into the class, but we hope to continue to keep small classroom size, but continue to grow geographically so we can reach all these populations of vets across the country. Our curriculum is focused on in-demand skills. So we started out with Ruby on Rails and front-end development, especially because in New York City that's a very highly demanded skill set. So we may change it a little bit based on geography, because our business model works when companies hire students out of our class. So we want to make sure that we're competitive with what companies actually need and providing what the students can be successful at. Probably what I enjoy most about working on it is just the people. It's great because there is such a social mission with it as well, that I get introduced to people in all realms of sort of social enterprise and nonprofit and military backgrounds, and there's just fundamentally a ton of people that want to help military veterans. So doing anything to just help further that movement, it's really great to work with those people.